chicken head for about. Let me put his head up straight. Put the head straight. Put the bottom. Hold the bottom.
Thằng video him múc bà ngồi xuống. Ngồi xuống. Nghe không? Giỏi.
At the surface, they heard strange sounds coming from the hole. At first, the engineers thought it was
Chicken head.
equipment, so they shut down all the machinery, but the sound was still there. Part of the research done at the site was recording the sound and the movement of the Earth using specialized microphones. So, they lowered one of these microphones into the hole. Even though it was designed to operate at high temperatures, it overheated in just a few seconds. But a few
Oh, the brain came out.
Definitely coming from the Earth's
The brains came out.
It was
Stupid. Brain. The head inside the brain.
Screaming in pain.
Very good.
Dr. Azikov
Not
was
bad
quoted
at
as saying,
Oh.
That reason he will sleep good. And some sleep good.
Azikov believed they drilled into hell itself. Half of the scientists immediately quit. Those who stayed at the job site were in for more shock. Later that night, a plume of gas burst out of the borehole and took the shape of a large bat winged demon.
Chicken head.
And in the gas, 3 words were written: I have conquered. The whole job site erupted into pandemonium. Then the medical staff received a call from someone we really don't know who. Probably. The medics were told to give everyone a type of sedative which would erase their short-term memories. The Soviets used drugs like this for victims in shock. This account comes from one of those medics who blew the whistle on the operation. Yeah?
Look, I don't want to spoil the mood or nothing.
Thanks.
Some history, some science, demons,
Like raw
but
food.
men in black
You
are
put in
racing
TikTok and
memories.
say raw food.
I feel a butt coming.
But is
Dog
there any
like
proof
eat
that
raw
it is?
food.
Well, what kind of proof would make you happy?
Yeah, a picture of the demon would be
When
nice.
dog lazy eat, dog say for him eat dog raw food.
Any chance someone
One week and him
recorded
eat
all
a
those
man no
screams,
lazy eat.
Yep,
Some
a
dog in
17-second
Vietnam lazy eat.
recording has been found.
Whoa, okay, on with the show.
Eat raw food and come back eat good again.
I'm not going to read the full article about the 9 Mile hole.
So
I'm not
hard,
going
oh
to.
my god.
I'm just going to read the
2 minutes.
email that I got last night.
2
along
minutes,
with
36.
what I received. This horrendous sound. Now I've got a clean copy of it now, and I warn you,
Chicken leg.
this could scare you.
The story of the Russian well to hell circulated for years. And even though it was reported by a few major news sources who claimed it was real, nobody had